10 extra patients a month, it's 120 a year. It adds up. And you don't have to do anything to get those patients in. The next question is a great question, Gary. It comes from Michigan. And the question is, Gary, I see that you have a chatbot on your website. Have you found that useful?
Oh, man. Absolutely. If your website doesn't have a chat, I mean, it's tech, in tech terms, it's known as a chatbot. But if it doesn't have some kind of a communication bot like that, you're really missing the boat. Naren, you know a lot more about the data behind that because Equa, you're the one that built that for our website. Why is that important for doctors to have a chat bot function on their site?
Yeah, so when you look at people who go to your website, typically 2% of the people are not convinced yet to call you, to make that communication. They're still doing their research. They're not there yet to pick up the phone and call. And also, depending on where they are, more and more people get to your website, and pretty much many of our other clients' website are now using mobile devices. So mobile device, as you know, you don't have to sit in front of your computer to use a mobile device. You could be at a restaurant having coffee with your friend. You could be driving in the car and boom, there's a traffic and you have nothing better to do. You just, looking at some stuff. I mean, I'm not recommending it, but, people do that. You might be at office and you can't talk to someone at that moment. So when you see this chatbot pop up and you have this urge to do something, maybe, ask a question or book an appointment, most like that 2% of the people will respond. So if I were to use a simple number like 500 visitors going to your website, that's 10 extra people a month. So the chatbot is designed not like a Siri, just a fun thing to answer questions. It's like a workflow. The purpose of the chatbot is to find out who you are and a way to get a hold of you.
It's almost like automated FAQs.
Exactly.
Because I mean, how many callers to a dental office? It's pretty predictable what they might be interested in. But what I'm blown away at, I'm literally blown away because it's not my own personal pattern. I'm blown away at how many people visit our website in the wee hours.
Right.
At 2 a.m, 3 a.m, 1:30. I'm blown away. And we got to have a way to connect with them. And the chatbot gives a great way to do that. And ours, describe ours, Naren, because it's not like some robot. It's Meg.
Right.
It has her picture, and it's very personable, and it's very effective. I'll give it an example. Recently, I wanted to order a new pair of Nike running shoes, and I went to the Nike site, and I engaged with the chatbot, and basically asked some questions, and literally, I think 3 questions into it, I had the perfect pair of shoes that I wanted, and I know I know the technology side. I know there wasn't a person there, doing it.
Yeah. But
they were able to answer my questions very specifically. And it was great. Okay, now I know. Let's order it. Let's go. And then I ordered it. So the chatbot, I would say, is a must in 2020 and beyond. If you don't have that, you don't know what you're missing in terms of after hours contact with your office. So you don't want that to slip through your fingers. So,
right.
yeah.
I mean, 10 extra patients a month, it's 120 a year. It adds up. And you don't have to do anything to get those patients in. So usually what happens is an email gets sent to the office. And because, they answered their name and their cell phone and so forth, someone typically will call back right away and, continue with that conversation and get them to book. Yeah. So it's a very powerful tool to kind of push the people who are not ready to call yet to, become clients. So thank you for that.
Hey, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting us know you subscribed. And be sure to click that bell. Can't wait to hear the bell ring.